Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today we are going to work on my December 2023 Order Club card kit. This is my prototype and these are the products that I pulled in for this. I have the Looking Forward stamp and thin cut set. This is the stamp of the month for January of 2024, and I used this little shape here, this scallop shape. I did not stamp on it, but I love that little scallopy edge shape. I also pulled in the Goodnight Teddy. He's so cute. I used this little guy right here. Isn't he sweet? And sending bear hugs. And let me think, the little banner. So this little banner piece right here, that is from the stamp of the month as well. So I'm really glad I did order the stamp and the thin cuts with the January stamp of the month. I also pulled in my Hero Arts Infinity circle dies, and I used this size. Let me think here. It's, I think from cut edge to cut edge here, it's about a 2 3/4 inch circle. I also have some Periwinkle ink and some charcoal ink. And here is the kit. I also have some clear embossing folder. Oh, excuse me, clear embossing powder. So this is it here. Your kit comes with an envelope, a card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Then a piece of the Periwinkle cardstock. I am using the darker side. You can see that our cardstock is two-toned there. So the true color is the darker side. And this is 4 by 5 1/4. Here's that envelope. Then here's a charcoal circle. That's that 2 3/4 inch circle. And then I went into the January, February mix-in papers, and I pulled out this pretty little pattern paper for that scallop circle. And here I've already cut out the little bear and the little banner. And your kit will also include a little piece of shimmer trim, and this is the adhesive backed 1/2 inch shimmery goodness. The first thing I think I'm going to do, because it's the noisiest thing, is I am going to stamp our little bear. I'm going to take my little anti-static powder tool and give it a little treatment there. And I'm going to use charcoal ink. And this is a little trick that I used to do years and years ago, where I would use regular old ink and embossing powder, and if you get the embossing powder on there really fast, it will stick to that ink even though it's not a sticky ink. So I've got my powder open, so be ready, be prepared. In fact, I am going to open this up so that I can dump my powder right on here. And ink it up with charcoal ink. And I'm going to stamp and quickly pour that powder on, and you just go crazy with it. Tap it off, and now I'm going to grab my heat tool. if you can see the shimmery. Oh, yep, I caught it right there. You can see that little glint. That's that embossing powder. And your bear will come plain, but you can do coloring with it. It is not watercolor paper, but a little minimal water would work to color the little bear. I also have, while I have my charcoal ink out, I'm going to do my stamping on my banner piece. Okay. The next bit of stamping is on the piece of periwinkle paper. We're doing tone-on-tone stamping. And I'm going to do 3 of the bears, because I like odd numbers. And that bear takes up a lot of space. I did not use bears on here. I just did stars. But like I said, that bear takes up a lot of space. And I'm going to throw some of the bigger stars. Some of them going off the edge. I think that that helps to make your random stamping look more continuous when you go off the edge. And then there's a little itty bitty star to fill in. I think that's cute. And then I am going to do a little swiping, just swiping the edge of the cardstock onto that Periwinkle ink pad. And now we can start assembling. So we've got our card base. You can use whatever adhesive you like. I'm using ATG. And eyeball centering. The next thing we'll do is throw down our, and I think your piece will be big enough to go from edge to edge. It may only stretch to the periwinkle. So whichever it is, just trim, because it should be a little tiny bit long. Now for this circle, I am going to bring in liquid glue because I'm going over glitter. And I just find that the liquid glue grabs that glitter, and you can use liquid glue for the rest if you'd like. I am going to leave this little bear plain today. He's just so cute. Ooh, and I stamped this going the wrong way. And that's okay. I'm still gonna just tuck him on there. Just like that. There you go. That is the October, no, that is the December 2023 Order Club card kit. Thank you so much for your orders. I really appreciate it. If you would do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I will see you next time.